To set up Hotspot in Motorola Signature, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to enter the network and internet, and then we can go to Hotspot and tethering options. As you can see right here, we have Wi-Fi hotspot. You can turn it on and off, but to perform a setup, we'll need to click on the option itself. Then we can change our hotspot name, so you can choose how it will appear to others if they try to connect with it. You can change the security options. If you want to have password for your hotspot, you need to pick one of those 3 WPA options. Or if you don't want any password, make sure to select none. Then we can change our hotspot password right here. Keep in mind that it needs to be at least 8 digits. Just enter whatever password you like. Then there's speed and compatibility. You can switch between 2.4G or 5G network, and 5G is quite faster, but at the same time, if there's older devices that are trying to connect with your mobile hotspot, if they don't support 5G, sadly they won't be able to connect. If you want, you can go for 2.4, but this might be a bit slower. Also, Wi-Fi 6 is the same thing. If the other device doesn't support Wi-Fi 6, they might not be able to connect, but sometimes it works. So you can enable or disable it as well. This provides you with a better hotspot connection. Then there's option to hide your device. You can hide your hotspot, and that way somebody else will need to connect to it manually. Then there's turn off hotspot automatically. When there's no devices connected for some time, your hotspot will shut down automatically. You can click on manage devices to see all of the devices that are currently connected. You can block them, and also if there's blocked devices, you'll be able to unblock them right here. Then finally, on the bottom, there's instant hotspot. If you have a Google account, you can enable this, and that way your other devices that are connected to the same Google account will have much easier way to connect with it, for example, without the password. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.